The weather sensor on here. I'm going to go down and toggle to sensor. Whoop. Back, here we go. To sensor, I want to make sure that I select it. Weather, yes, yes, for schedules A, B, and C. Done. It's going to review that. All good. Please wait. It's gathering all the data from the ET sensor. And we can see 82 degrees. It's dry, of course, because I'm inside. Freeze off is at 39 degrees. Updates at 8 p.m. I'm going to do the average percent days. I'm going to go up to 5. And then one last thing, I want to go here, set the, you can see a local service, by the way. Conserva Irrigation has our contact information. That's super cool. I'm going to set the time and date, and my time right now is 1:07. p.m. and the date is 7/28/2015. We're ready to go. Boom. And that's it. It really is that simple. I don't know what it took me, just a few minutes, but I've got a brand new Evolution. That's how we like to see it sit.